Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 connection and servers error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do just click here and then type Windows Update Settings, and after that click check for updates and wait for it, and after that all you have to do just go back and type your CMD. Type here CMD and don't forget to launch it as administrator. And now type here ipconfig//dns and click enter, and then type niche winsock reset and then click enter, and after that just restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.